So there are a lot of students in this class, but you're broken up into 3 working groups. The size of the group is large enough to give you enough people to work with, even when everyone's not participating. So, for example, when you have to comment on blogs, you'll have plenty of blogs to read, even if it's the first blog and not too many people do it. There will be some people in your group who will, and there will be enough people in your group writing blogs over the 3 opportunities for you to comment 5 times for your grade. The size of the group is also small enough that there's enough to go around, so to speak, so you won't feel like, well, if you get to the discussion board kind of late in the week, that there's nothing else to write about because someone's already said it all. There's always something else you can add to a discussion in that way. So the discussion board and the blog assignments will be in your group area. I'm not going to go ahead and click on mine because it won't show you the same view. It won't show the same view that you'll have of it. But when you go to that group area, you should be able to see links for the discussion board and for the blogs. And those are the 2 things you'll do in your group area. Aside from that, the things you need will be in the topical folders for any given week.